How to use dual SIM iPhone 14 Pro Max. Hey everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you use dual SIM on your iPhone 14 Pro Max or Pro Max or Plus. Now here what you have to do is, with both a physical SIM and eSIM, you'll need to put the physical SIM card into the SIM tree. You'll also need to configure your iPhone to use the two SIM card for a different purpose, such as assigning one for the data and the other for calls. Now here what you have to do is, first thing, use the SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to open the SIM tray and insert the nano SIM card. Then you want to go to the settings and go to cellular, then tap on add a cellular plan. And instructions to add your eSIM, you might need to scan a QR code provided by your carrier itself. After which, what you have to do is choose which number you want to use for calling and texting when the recipient isn't in your contact. Then simply select which lines you want to use with your iMessage and FaceTime as well. After which, you have to go ahead and then you want to actually choose which line will be using your mobile data and which will only be for the voice call. And if you want to use internet while on call with a voice call number, you need to enable this feature as well. You could then switch between two lines for call and messages by going to the settings, cellular, and selecting the desired line for the specific action. And this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.